Hello and welcome to a short video as part of the Walkerscott Power BI showcase. This video is on procurement statistics and analysis. It's on a short report. It's only a 2-page report. We can see the navigation down here saying 1 of 2, and just gives the user a high level, then a bit more detail on how their procurement statistics and how they're tracking through the year. With anybody familiar with our reports, we generally start with our filters down the left-hand side, so we're consistent, so people know exactly where they know what options they can choose on any particular report, and they can change and that data refreshes immediately. Across the top, we do use the cards for high-level numbers to give people a very quick overview of how they're tracking. With the other graphs we've got here, we've obviously broken costs down by category. We talk about net margin against procurement costs, and we also track our return to vendor cost by product category through here. If we click on over to the second page, we can see again we've got our filters down the left-hand side. We've got a few more filters this time. We've added quarter, locations, and category, so we can drill down on a particular category, so to get a bit more detail on particular areas of focus. We also have obviously top areas, and we start to introduce things where we can go top so many numbers, so we could have top 10, top 5, whatever's appropriate for you. You could also have average procurement, credit versus the credit term, so how quickly you're paying these people, and you can just click through them and refresh as you go. You could also have some things like scatter graphs as well down the bottom here, which give you a bit more detailed picture on how they're tracking in any particular time. Thank you for listening. I hope this helps give you an idea of what you can do in Power BI, and thank you.